Today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks that I learned while using the VEVOR heat press machine. In this video, I'm also going to show you what comes in the package, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the handle, the screws to install the handle, a screwdriver, gloves, the plug, the actual heat press machine itself, and the instruction manual. To put the handle on, you are going to slide this out so that you can access the back of these holes. And then you're going to put the screws there, and then we're going to screw the handle in. Use the screwdriver to make sure that they are tight. Once you have the handle on, there is a piece of foam here that you're going to want to remove. Make sure your plug is fully into the machine before you turn it on. Then you can go ahead and turn it on. The digital display has 4 buttons, plus, minus, setup, and mode. The modes go from t-shirt to matte to bag. Clicking the setup button allows you to change the preset settings that are on the machine. The plus button is what you will push to bring the machine down onto the t-shirt that you're working on. And the minus button is what will bring it up if you don't wait for the auto feature to automatically lift. You can get all kinds of t-shirt designs on Amazon. I'm going to be putting this fun summertime gnome onto this white t-shirt. A few things you should know before getting started. You should have the design centered on the plate. You can see here it's not quite centered, so I'm going to readjust. Once you get it into the machine, you should not be able to see the design. The t-shirt mode is preset to 60 seconds. Now, not all designs are made equally, so I did have to press down on this twice, but here's a tip if you don't want to push down on it twice. You can insert a piece of cardboard in the center of the shirt to give it more stability as it's pressing down. And it automatically comes up when it's done. Use the gloves that they provide to you to pull this off because it is going to be hot. The pieces part of the display shows how many pieces you have made with this machine since it's been reset. You can reset it by holding down on the minus button. If you are looking for an easy and affordable way to make your own fun summertime shirts or anytime shirts, I would highly recommend this heat press from VEVOR.